Today we're taking a look at the BlackSmith 6 biometric gun safe. Stores 6 rifles, some pistols, extra storage at the top. Pretty neat little safe. We'll take a look at this. Stick with me. Let's get started. It's 57 inches tall, 14 inches wide, and just about 12 inches deep. You can put in a special code or unlock it. As I demonstrated just a moment ago, you can unlock this with fingerprint. Pretty quick. Let's go ahead and reset that. Or you can use passcodes. Now I just left the factory passcode in here. Easy peasy. And what's real neat is when you put in the wrong code, you just keep messing with it like kids would do. You get an alarm that goes off. That I like. You disable the alarm by putting in the proper code, or let's see if we can get it to trip again. Two ways of disarmament. One, fingerprint, biometrics, or put in a proper code. Inside top of the door you have storage here. And you can see that I have some ammo placed up in here. This is the power supply for the lock on the outside, powered by 4 AA batteries. And when you unlock the safe from the outside, there's a LED light in here. I'll show you this here in just a second, a little closer. But when you have successful entry, you can see that light comes on. You can see it reflecting off my hand there. Coming down, you'll see that we have 2 pistol holsters. And these are full-size 9mm. At the bottom of the door, you have more storage, and these fit AR-15 mags very easily. So I've got 3 of those stored in there with respective pouches. This is basically the same kind of material that you see a lot of safes lined with. You're not going to get any real fire rating protection from this. Now that I have the door open, you can see what I have in here. Now it's advertised as a 6-gun safe, and it depends on what type of rifles or shotguns you put in there. You may not be able to get 6 in there. As of right now, I've only got 5 in there. Ruger 1022. I think everybody should have one of these. A Mossberg 410 shotgun. AR-15 with a 20-inch barrel. This is a Benelli 12-gauge shotgun, Super Black Eagle 1. And this is my bolt gun, or one of my bolt guns. This is a Ruger M77 Mark II 223 with a target barrel on it. Nickname this one Kevorkian. Just bad. Now the top section is not secured by biometrics. That is a simple lock and key. As you can see inside of here, I've got all kinds of stuff. And this, I like this. I like being able to have quick, easy access to put things in. Now where this whole kit really shines is being able to go around the house and put things up that I normally leave out when I know that I have company coming over, grandkids being number one. I don't want them being able to grab an unsecured firearm. It's just not a good thing. So I'm able to grab this stuff and put it in a lockbox like this, and you can see there's a muffler there. This is a 5.56 AR-15 upper with a 4.5 inch barrel. Wait for the video on that, guys. This is a real screamer. Set of shooting gloves. My EDC. The holster for one of the pistols that was down in one of the pockets below. There's another holster for the other pistol. Bump helmet and ear protection. So this is deep enough to put a full-size bump helmet in. In here also I have some electronics. Now I put these in here just to kind of show reference. This is, backup spare hard drives. You guys, back up your documents in case grid goes down and you ever need quick access to your digital information. This is a good place to do this. Now I would suggest backups of backups. So have these in a fireproof box. Long story short. And here's some spare hard drives that basically the same idea. These anchors come with this safe. I've not used these just yet. I've not made up my mind exactly where I'm going to position this safe. I'm not sure if we're going to keep it here in this room or maybe another room or maybe even in another location. Well, I know I've got grandkids coming over. I've got company coming over. But I don't want to have a lot of dangerous things laying around in front of. This is a great place to put it. That way I don't have to go in, hide things in closets and other places.